Hello, my name is Muth, and I am here to give you a quick tutorial on how to use my Math with Muth website. It's a great website to collect resources that your student has covered in class. It has all the class videos, all of the notes and handouts, as well as homework that is assigned throughout the year. So the first part that I'd like to address is how to access the website. And there's a few ways or a few different routes that you can go. The first is if you are a student, you can access through my Google Classroom. What you see here is the class code. If you go ahead and join my Google Classroom, then on my classroom itself, you will only have 3 links, one of them being the class website. One of the most difficult things about actually using the website is finding it if you don't have the URL memorized. So if you join my Google Classroom, you'll always have a link directly to my website. In addition to the link to the website, you also will have access to a graphing calculator as well as a scientific calculator that you can use. Again, that is for students that can join my Google Classroom. The second way to access the Google Classroom is by using the following URL, sites.google.com/nben.k12.or.us/muth/home. So if you go ahead and use this on your laptop or on your cell phone, you can go ahead and save this as a favorite, and then you will always have access to it. And lastly, a third way, and this is probably the easiest if you've not joined the Google Classroom, and if you don't have the URL favorited onto your device, you can go ahead and access it through the district homepage. All right, pardon me, not the district homepage, the North Bend High School homepage. Once you are on the high school homepage, if you're a parent, you can go to the Parents tab, and if you scroll down to the math department, you'll see that there's 3 math teachers with web pages. Also, this is available on the drop menu from students. Again, scrolling down to the math department, and then here you are at Math with Muth. So if I click on Math with Muth, you are here to my home page. So in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see all of the classes that I teach. I teach an Algebra 1 class, and I currently teach an Algebra 2 class. So if you are in the fall trimester, let's pretend we're in the fall trimester. If I were to click on Algebra 1, I'll have 3 subpages here for Standard 1 through Standard 5 and the final. If we were currently in Standard 2, if I were to click on Standard 2 here, what you'll see is upcoming events, any important things. I'll put tests at least 3 days in advance. I'll do reviews. And this is just a schedule so you can see what's going on. But the meat and potatoes is down below, where you have access to class videos, notes and handouts, and homework. So if you were absent on a particular date, like say September 18th, you can go right here, and if you click on September 18th, it'll give you the class video for when you were gone. If you go to the notes and handouts, if there are notes and handouts for September 18th, it'll also be available in the notes and handouts section. And then for homework, you'll have a homework assignment. So what I've done on these homework pages, I'll go ahead and click on this so you guys can see what it looks like. I'll have the homework assignment as well as the problems from the text. Now, I will say if you are using this website on your mobile device, I would recommend downloading the Google Drive app, because when you click on a homework assignment, for example, if you want this particular picture to be crisp and clear, having the Google Drive app downloaded is the only way that you're going to do it. If you don't have the app downloaded, then your picture is going to be a little bit blurry. So going back, you again can go to any of the trimesters that we've currently covered, fall, winter, and what I'll do is as we move into winter trimester, I'm going to go ahead and hide this fall trimester, so you'll only be able to have access to the current trimester that we are in. So if you have any questions or concern, please reach out via my school email at smuth handouts.nben.k12.or.us, or again, you can go ahead and look on the Northland High School webpage to get my contact information. An awesome resource if your students are absent, if they're willing or wanting to work ahead, or if they were in class and they still need a little bit more help, they can go ahead and come back, watch the video, they can pause and stop, skip forward, and get as many reps as they need. And of course, I'm always available during remediation before school and after school. So thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll be seeing you using this school webpage. Thank you.